Understanding ATM Withdrawals, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical topic, ATM withdrawals. This is something you'll often encounter in everyday life, especially when dealing with money matters. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in real-world scenarios. Before we delve into ATM withdrawals, it's important to understand what an ATM is. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. It's an electronic banking outlet that allows people to complete basic transactions without the need for a branch representative or teller. You've probably seen these machines at banks, shopping centers, or airports. Now, let's talk about ATM withdrawals. A withdrawal is the act of taking money out of a bank account. Therefore, an ATM withdrawal refers to taking money out of your bank account using an ATM machine. It's a convenient way to access your cash without having to go into a bank. Making an ATM withdrawal involves a few steps. 1. Insert your ATM card into the machine. 2. Enter your PIN, personal identification number. 3. Select the withdrawal option. 4. Choose the account type, like checking or savings. 5. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. 6. Collect your cash and take your card. In everyday conversation, you might encounter phrases like, "I need to make an ATM withdrawal before we go shopping." "Can you find the nearest ATM?" "I'm out of cash." "I prefer using ATMs for quick cash withdrawals." Understanding these phrases can help you navigate financial conversations more confidently. And that's a wrap on ATM withdrawals. I hope this video has helped clarify what ATM withdrawals are and how they work. Remember, being familiar with such everyday concepts is a big step forward in mastering the English language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.